Microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa, play diverse roles in nature, including some beneficial ones like aiding in digestion and nutrient cycling. However, some microorganisms can also cause diseases in humans, animals, and plants. Understanding the role of microorganisms in causing disease and the importance of hygiene and vaccination in preventing illness is crucial for maintaining public health. Let's delve deeper into these concepts. Pathogens and disease. Pathogens are microorganisms that can cause disease in their hosts. Common pathogens include bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. They can enter the body through various routes such as ingestion, inhalation, direct contact, or through vectors like mosquitoes and ticks. Once inside the body, pathogens can disrupt normal physiological processes, damage tissues, and trigger immune responses that lead to illness. Modes of disease. Transmission. Diseases can be transmitted through various modes, including direct contact, contact with infected individuals or their bodily fluids, such as through kissing, touching, or sexual contact. Indirect contact, contact with contaminated objects or surfaces, such as doorknobs, utensils, or clothing. Airborne transmission, inhalation of respiratory droplets containing infectious agents such as coughing or sneezing. Waterborne transmission, ingestion of contaminated water containing pathogens such as bacteria, viruses, or parasites. Vector-borne transmission, transmission of pathogens through the bites of vectors like mosquitoes, ticks, and flies. Hand hygiene, washing hands regularly with soap and water, especially before eating, after using the restroom, and after coughing or sneezing. Respiratory hygiene, covering the mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing, using tissues and properly disposing of used tissues. Food hygiene, properly storing, handling, and cooking food to prevent contamination by harmful microorganisms. Personal hygiene, maintaining cleanliness of the body, clothing, and living environment to reduce the risk of infection. 4. Importance of vaccination. Vaccination is one of the most effective ways to prevent infectious diseases and protect individuals and communities from outbreaks. Vaccines work by stimulating the body's immune system to produce antibodies against specific pathogens, providing immunity without causing the disease itself. Vaccination helps to prevent disease. Vaccines can prevent the occurrence of infectious diseases by reducing the likelihood of exposure to pathogens. Control disease spread, herd immunity, achieved when a significant portion of the population is vaccinated, helps to protect those who cannot be vaccinated, such as individuals with compromised immune systems or allergies. Eradicate diseases. Vaccination efforts have led to the eradication of diseases such as smallpox and the near elimination of others like polio and measles in many parts of the world. 5. Role of public health measures. In addition to individual hygiene practices and vaccination, public health measures such as disease surveillance, outbreak investigation, contact tracing, quarantine, and isolation play crucial roles in controlling the spread of infectious diseases at the community and population levels. Public health agencies and organizations work to monitor disease trends, implement preventive measures, and respond to emerging threats to safeguard public health and well-being. 6. Microbial pathogens. Microbial pathogens encompass a wide variety of microorganisms capable of causing disease. They include bacteria. Bacterial pathogens such as Escherichia coli, Salmonella, and Staphylococcus aureus can cause illnesses ranging from food poisoning to severe infections. Viruses. Viral pathogens like influenza virus, human immunodeficiency virus, HIV, and SARS-CoV-2, responsible for COVID-19, can cause respiratory illnesses, immunodeficiency, and pandemics. Fungi. Fungal pathogens such as Candida albicans and Aspergillus fumigatus can cause infections like candidiasis and aspergillosis, especially in immunocompromised individuals. Parasites. Parasitic pathogens like Plasmodium, malaria, trypanosoma, sleeping sickness, and hookworms can cause a variety of diseases affecting different organ systems. 7. Antibiotic resistance. Antibiotic resistance is a significant public health concern resulting from the misuse and overuse of antibiotics. Over time, bacteria can develop resistance to antibiotics, making infections more difficult to treat and increasing the risk of complications and mortality. Combating antibiotic resistance requires judicious antibiotic use, development of new antibiotics, and implementation of infection control measures to prevent the spread of resistant strains. 8. Emerging and re-emerging diseases. Emerging infectious diseases are those that have recently appeared in a population or are rapidly increasing in incidence or geographic range. Re-emerging diseases are those that were previously under control but are now resurging due to factors such as changes in human behavior, environmental changes, microbial evolution, and global travel and trade. Examples of emerging and re-emerging diseases include Ebola virus disease, Zika virus, and antibiotic-resistant infections. 9. Zoonotic diseases. Zoonotic diseases are infections that can be transmitted from animals to humans. Many infectious diseases, including Ebola, influenza, rabies, and COVID-19, have zoonotic origins. Zoonotic transmission can occur through direct contact with infected animals, consumption of contaminated animal products, or exposure to vectors like mosquitoes and ticks. Understanding and addressing the complex interactions between humans, animals, and ecosystems are crucial for preventing and controlling zoonotic diseases. 10. One Health approach. The One Health approach recognizes the interconnectedness of human health, animal health, and environmental health, and emphasizes collaborative efforts across disciplines to address complex health challenges. By integrating knowledge and expertise from human health, veterinary medicine, environmental science, and other disciplines, the One Health approach aims to promote holistic solutions to global health issues, including infectious diseases, antimicrobial resistance, and ecosystem degradation. 11. Global health security. Global health security focuses on protecting populations from public health threats that have the potential to spread across borders and impact multiple countries. It involves strengthening health systems, enhancing disease surveillance and response capabilities, promoting international cooperation and collaboration, and addressing health inequities and social determinants of health. Effective global health security measures are essential for preventing, detecting, and responding to infectious disease outbreaks and other health emergencies on a global scale. The study of microorganisms and disease encompasses a broad range of topics, from microbial pathogens and antibiotic resistance to emerging infectious diseases and global health security. By understanding the complex interactions between microorganisms, humans, animals, and ecosystems, we can develop strategies to prevent, detect, and control infectious diseases and promote health and well-being for individuals and communities worldwide. As a science teacher, fostering awareness and understanding of these issues can empower students to become informed advocates for public health and global health security. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.